This is one of the XDP Remanufactured CP4 fuel pumps, designed as a stock replacement for trucks equipped with a CP4 that's failed, contaminated, or struggling to maintain proper fuel rail pressure. A failing CP4 can leave you stranded and potentially cause costly fuel system issues. The XDP Remanufactured units are designed to help get your truck running as it should. Let's open the box and take a look. Inside the box, you'll find a remanufactured XDP CP4 high-pressure fuel pump. Each pump is assembled using high-quality internal components and goes through a stringent remanufacturing process to ensure it meets strict specifications. The XDP remanufactured CP4 fuel pumps are available in multiple applications, including Ford's 6.7 Power Stroke and GM's 6.6-liter Duramax LML and LGH engines. Each pump is designed as a direct-fit stock replacement to restore proper fuel rail pressure and overall fuel system performance. If your truck is experiencing low rail pressure, fuel contamination, loss of power, or a complete fuel pump failure, an XDP remanufactured CP4 fuel pump is a great solution to bring your fuel system back to factory operation and performance.